Click the Report menu. By default, the list of incoming reports is displayed. Click on a report to open the detailed view. This page contains all available information about the report. You can edit the report details. You can also add internal notes. These notes are visible to administrators only. If a report is abusive or misused, you can mark it as spam. If the same user submits another report from the same device, the system will automatically mark future reports as spam as well. Report management consists of two main parts. These are solution and feedback. The solution section is for internal administration only. Only you can see it. Here you can record what actions were taken to resolve the issue. In this case, the status remains in progress unless you change it. The feedback section contains public information. This is visible to the reporter. A language-based template is displayed automatically. You can freely edit this message. The language of the reply is important. If an email notification is sent, the email content will use this language. Emails are only sent if an email address was provided. You can check the feedback status on the tracking page. This is the same page that the reporter can access at any time. The tracking page becomes available immediately after the report is submitted. Important to note: saving the feedback automatically sets the status to closed, and the report is archived. I hope this was easy to follow. But there is an even faster way. The number of new reports is visible on the dashboard. With a single click, they can be handled immediately. Use the left and right arrows to navigate between reports. Navigation is circular. The default reply and its language can be changed at any time. Then you have two options: save and close, or save, close and send. The first option saves and archives the report. The second does the same, and also sends an email notification if an email address is available. Using this method, reports can be managed in just a few clicks, until there are no more left. That's all.